Good morning and welcome on your studio for the. How are you, bro? You are so nice and you are so beautiful. Today, I want to show you the new home where I want to install on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Under this video, the home is here and what you want to install this. Okay? Look at on my phone before. Wow, this phone is amazing. It's so beautiful and so nice. Look at that. Wow, I like it. This is so great and is amazing. Look at the icons that I am starting to. Wonderful. This is Android One UA. Yes, today I want to show you how to install one of the best home for Android 9P on the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Okay? Firstly, install TWRP. Under this video, you can also download this ROM and copy this ROM on your phone. Now let's do it. Power off. The installation will start right now. Get ready. Okay. Wonderful. Let's do it now. Let's go. As you see, you have to need free touch, BSB button, like that. Volume up, okay, volume up is here, and power button in the same time. Hold free touch, BSB button, volume up, and power button at the same time. To access to Team Winner, TWRP. Now, do this and follow me. Click on whip, advanced whip. 1, 2, 3, and do this. Okay? And validate it like that. Wonderful. Now you're ready to install your ROM. If you are downloading this ROM on the this video, copy this ROM on the phone and do this. Click on install and localize your ROM. Okay, I'll copy this ROM on my micro SD. I do okay. Now, localize your ROM. This ROM is called ROM Embassy version 1.6. Do this and open like that. Wow. Okay. Now get ready. This ROM is now open. What you can do next? Next again. This ROM is also compatible with the Samsung Galaxy S9. Okay? S9 and S9 Plus. Next. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay. What you want to install? Okay, let all of this like that. Next again. Install now. Wonderful. Now I will see after if all of application for Android 9P are installed on my phone. Now wait a few minutes for the installation of this ROM. Okay? Wait with me. Okay, we can go. As you see, installation is completed. Now click on next. Exit. The rest. Reboot system again. And wait a few minutes. Okay, if you see the LED here, the blue LED. Wait. Wait again. Wonderful. Okay, the LED is here. Samsung appear. Installation official of your beautiful system started. Now wait a few minutes for the installation of this beautiful ROM for Android 9P. Get ready. Okay, let's do it. Wait a few minutes. Wonderful. The LED disappear. Starting Android. What will happen after? I don't know, but you can wait with me to see what will happen on your phone after. Get ready. Okay, installation of many beautiful application for you. Okay, wait a few minutes with me. Look at other screen. Yes, after this you will configure your beautiful phone. Get ready. Okay, get ready, bro. Because woo, so nice today. Look at that. Okay, choose your language here. Wonderful. Oh, what are you doing? United States. Wonderful. Now click on next. And the configuration of your beautiful Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus RAM can start right now. Okay, let me put my password here right now to connect to the internet. Get ready, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get ready to see this. Okay, as you see, Younger Company is my second YouTube channel. You can subscribe and get ready for the next video. Checking for updates. What do you think? This is Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus ROM also for the Samsung Galaxy Note S9 Plus. You will see this after, okay? You will see this, don't worry. Checking for updates. Okay. Wait a few minutes for it with me. Just a second. Okay. Wonderful. Now you can enter your Google account. Skype for me. I will do this after. Now, connect. More. Accept. Skype anyway. Okay. All set. Thank you. Okay, you finish. Wonderful. This is Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus ROM for you. This is so great and it's so beautiful. What do you think about this? What do you think about this? For me, it's wonderful. Look at that. Okay. All of your applications are installed correctly. No problem. Where is my beautiful edge screen? Edge screen is here. Wonderful. And you can also update and add music. Samsung Music is here. Wonderful. Agree? Start. Hello. And wonderful. You can choose your beautiful folders where you have stored your music. Okay? Where is my music? No music here. Are you sure? Let's see on internal storage. Internal storage. Wonderful. Music, no music on my internal storage. Are you sure? Okay. I will see my SD card not appear here. Okay, you need absolutely here to reboot your beautiful phone right now. Let's do it. Okay, wait a few minutes with me. Get ready. Alright, welcome back, bro, to your beautiful phone. Yeah, let's see if my beautiful card appear. As you see, we have notification here. As the card, wonderful. Thank you. Let's see if it's correct. Yes. Woo! It appear now, right now for you. Okay, I like it. I like all of it. But there's something that I want to add on my phone. What is this? Firstly, the configuration, okay? The configuration, okay. Navigation bar. Do this. Increase the navigation bar on full screen mode. Yes, settings. On settings. You can now configure your beautiful phone like that. Okay, wonderful. I can put my phone on vibration. Thank you. Now, The configure can start, do a screen resolution. Wonderful. Click on apply. Beautiful. We continue. Screen time out. Now, click on 5 minutes if you want. We continue. What else? If you want, you can configure your fingerprints. Where my fingerprint? Okay, I will do this after. About phone. Thank you. Sort of mention. As you see, this is a beautiful ROM. Ambassador ROM. Remember this is you can just download this ROM and install. Okay. This is also one new E. Android 9P. You can do this to access to your beautiful one new E like that. Oh, so nice, so beautiful. I like it. Okay. Look at that. Beautiful information for you. Do this. What else here? Wonderful. I like it. My messages, okay, cancel for me here. All of my messages are here. Bravo. Wonderful for me. Go to the base. Beautiful. Camera. You can access your beautiful camera here. Wonderful. Settings. Configuration can start right now. For me. Let's do it. F-Flash. Okay, F-HD. 60 FPS Full HD. Okay, full HD. RGR. RGR Houston always apply. What else? Can you see something? Okay. I know. I see. Camera mode. Keep using last mode. Thank you. The configuration is good for me now. Now look at on this screen. Turn to selfie mode and look at what you have now. You can do this to take a photo. Wow, it's like a great angle. As you can see, it's real. Amazing. You can take a photo, change, take a photo. Let's see. Hello. Look at that. Look at the difference. I like it. Go back. Okay. Turn. You can take a beautiful photo like that. You can activate the flash. And let's do it. You can do this to zoom. Can you see this? Amazing. The first is here. Wonderful. The second also. Beautiful. Look at the result. Wow. Nice. Ooh, so beautiful. What do you think? I like it. I think that is great. It's nice. It's beautiful. RGR return. Always enable. Good. I like it. Now, do this. Wonderful. Okay, wonderful. Abidjan. Wonderful effect. Where is here? Okay, I like it. Okay, when you do this, you can access to your BSB here. I don't use this, but I can do this to access to BSB here directly. I will configure this after, don't worry. Now hold the home screen. Wallpapers. And click on view all. And view all, you can see the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus wallpaper. And the S9 Plus wallpapers also under like Infinity wallpaper. As you can see on this beautiful screen. Is amazing. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, look at my last screen. Beautiful. Wonderful. I like it. Okay, you can choose what you want now. Now, look at that video. Hello. Wonderful videos. As you see, you have a stereo speakers here. Okay, when you turn, S10 settings. Apply, thank you. Volume, this is a speaker here, another speaker here. Stereo speaker is here. Look at that. Wonderful. I'm recording this video with my Samsung Galaxy here, G7 Prime. Look at the effect. Thank you. As you see, it's working and it's great. You can do this for power off and restart. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and get ready for the next video. God bless you all. I love you so much. Wow, wonderful. Wow, I like it. Subscribe today for the next video. Look at that. Beautiful phone for you. I like it.